You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. Let's break down both her real name, an American YouTuber, of course. If you want to learn more confusing names of famous YouTubers, make sure to stay tuned. Jessica Bravura, real name, but she goes under the alias Aphmau, Jessica Bravura. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.